Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate compound interest in Excel. First, let's set up our data in Excel. For this example, let's assume we start with 1,000 euros. Next, we enter our annual interest rate. This is the percentage we earn per year. Now, let's enter how long we want to invest or save. We'll calculate the growth over 10 years. In cell B5, let's enter how often it's compounded. If interest is compounded quarterly, we enter 4. Now, move to empty cell and start typing the formula. B2, this is our initial investment. Next, enter an opening bracket followed by 1 plus. This ensures that each compounding period includes both the original balance and the interest earned. Then, divide the interest rate by the compounding frequency. Close the bracket and raise it to the power symbol caret. Inside another set of brackets, type B5B4, which calculates the total number of compounding periods. Finally, hit enter, and Excel will calculate the future value of your investment. You can now try changing the values to see how Excel automatically updates the future value based on different initial investments, interest rates, time periods, and compounding frequencies. And that's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.